Good morning, children. Open your Vikas English Conversation Book B. Open this book on page number 25. On page number 25. See, children, open page number 25. Lesson number 22. Sense organs. Sense organs. See, children, so many times we can see picture, we can hear the sound. Yes, yes, no. So many times we got good smell. Yes, no. Sometimes bad smell. Yes, that time how we have to know that is a bad smell, that is a good smell, that is a good picture, that is a bad picture, that is a good sound, that is a bad sound. Yes, the mother is calling or father is calling. How you have to know, children? Yes, because of your sense organs. Because of your sense organs. See, sometimes your mother makes some food and that food is sweet. Then how you have to know? When you are eating with your tongue, you got a taste. Yes, no. That time on for your tongue, with your tongue, you know about the taste of any food. Suppose any food is hot, any food is cold, then how you have to know? Yes, with your tongue. Like this. Then what we have to call all these things? We can see with our eyes, we can hear with our ears, we can smell with our nose. Yes, and sometimes we have to touch anywhere. We feel hot, we feel rough, we feel smooth. How? With our skin. And food also we have to understand about with our tongue. Yes. Now see, then what we have to call all these things all together? That is our sense organs. That is our sense organs. See now here, page number 25, lesson number 22, sense organs. Yes. Can you see this picture, children? Yes. In this picture, that boy is listening. Yes. This is a small radio or a small mobile. Yes. He is listening music. Yes. There are five sense organs. They are eyes, ears, nose, skin and tongue. And tongue. See, just now I tell you, this is a boy and he is listening music. Then how he have to listen the music, children? Yes, with his ear. Now see, let's we see what is the lesson. Question number first. What do we do with our eyes? Yes, in this picture you can see, children, this boy is seeing the nature. He can see the water, he can see the mountain, he can see the trees. Yes, son. Why he can see? Because with his eyes. What do we do with our eyes? We see with our eyes. Yes, with our eyes we can see. Yes, because of eyes we can see the blackboard, we can see the mobile. Yes, this is our first sense organ, eyes. Okay, now here number 2, what do we do with our ears? With our ears we hear with our ears. Yes, see in this picture that boy is listening music. We can hear sounds with our ears. Sometimes your mother is calling, father is calling. Yes, your teacher is calling. Which teacher is calling? How you have to know? With your ears. With your ears. Understood? This is the second sense organs, ears. Now next, third one. What do we do with our nose? Yes, see this picture? That girl is smelling the flower. We smell with our nose. See here, she can smell with our nose. Sometimes bad smell is coming, sometimes good smell is coming. But how we have to identify? How we have to know? Because of our nose. Because of our nose. Sometimes your mother is making cake, biscuits. Then how you have to know? Yes, with a good smell of cake, good smell of biscuit. Yes. Now next. Number 4, what do we do with our skin? We feel with our skin. Yes, in this picture you can see children. That boy is going to bath and in this bucket what is there? Hot water is there and he is checking the water. Is this hot or is this cold? Because of our skin we can identify, we can feel the hot things, cold things. Understood? Now question number 5. What do we do with our tongue? Yes, in this picture that girl is eating. Yes, what is this? Achar. We taste with our tongue. Pickle, we can call in English pickle. With our taste. Cake is sweet. Karela is yes. Then pickle is yes, hot, sweet. Lemon is sour. Yes. Karela is bitter. How we have to know? With our tongue. This is our fifth organ, sense organ, tongue. Understood? These are our sense organs. First is eyes, ears, nose, skin and tongue. Understood? Without ear we can't see children. We have eyes, that's why we have to see the so many things which is are surrounding us. Yes, because of ears we can hear the so many sounds which is near us. Yes, we can smell with our nose. Because of nose we can smell so many types of things. Yes, now here skin. Because of skin we can feel the so many types of things, hot things, cold things, soft thing. Understood? Now here tongue. With our tongue we can taste. We can taste with our tongue. Understood children? This is our sense organs.